Well, happy Friday from the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling and Gino Franti to give you your weekly closeout of what happened this week, because the media, again, is always behind the eight ball. The numbers that come out that you hear from the media usually is months old.
Yeah, it's not only that the numbers are old, it's the sensationalism behind it, right? Making this, everything is dramatic. Everything's absolutely great or absolutely horrible. In this particular case, they're going to jump on this like this is a horrible number. You see that big red candle, don't you, Don?
Yeah, when you look at this first report, pending home sales, you're going to hear how pending home sales are down. Oh, no! But again, if you listen to us on a regular basis, you can do that by texting NREC to 58885, NREC to 58885. You get these reports on a regular basis. You'll actually understand what these reports really mean. And this one, the media is going to jump on and say that the home sales are down. Look out.
Yeah, they're down 1.8%. Oh my gosh, how catastrophic.
Yes.
But what they don't clarify is they're down 1.8% from the best number in 9 years. It's okay if we're down 1.8. In fact, it's okay if we're down 2.4 or 2.6 or 3% from the best number in 9 years.
And to keep this sensational, they're going to not tell you that we are actually up 8.2% year over year, because that will take away their hype. So again, home sales are excellent. That's why we drew this little line. You can see the trend is your friend. We always talk about that.
We will still monitor this to see if the trend changes, but for now, proceed with no caution.
There you go. Okay, another report that came out. This is another really important number, and this is going to have a lot of effect on the potential Fed rate hike, and that is jobs. Jobs has a lot to do with when the Fed is going to pull the triggers, feeling that the economy is improving. And last report, not this report, the last report was the lowest number we have seen in 42 years. Initial claims at 255,000 only. Remember, a few years ago when we started this show, our radio show, our Don and Gino Real Estate and Finance show, 4.5 years ago, this number was close above 455,000. So quite a bit of difference.
Yeah, we used to call it Don's drum. Every week he would drum about jobs and drum about jobs and drum about jobs. He might actually have to shut up now.
Yeah. So here's a really good number. So how's that affecting rates? Because remember, we're talking about when is the Fed going to actually finally start hiking rates? And because of what Janet Yellen said, I'll let you tell him.
Yeah, so Janet Yellen makes a statement saying, hey, we are going to hike rates, but don't worry too much about that. The pace will be moderate. And that was the best statement she's made ever since she's been the Fed chair. And that statement gave everybody a little bit of security, not to mention China still has some problems going on.
Yep.
Greece is out of the picture for now. And, but China had a really bad day in the stock market, which helped our interest rates here a little bit. So, rates are good now, but we're starting to go a little sideways, so don't get a little overconfident. They're still the best rates we've seen in the last couple months. I'd say lock it in if you can.
There you go. So make sure now is the time to either refinance, pull that cash out to pay off debt, improve your home, move up buyers. You need to take action now, because pretty soon you might be priced out of that dream home of yours. So you heard it here on the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling and Gino Franti, where you get your daily dose of real estate market updates. Tune in tomorrow and see what's brewing.